Today we have to discuss about the water waste story. What is the wastewater? While the using in water by bathing, by fresh, by the washing vegetable, and many more work, that the water is totally waste, called wastewater. For the some example is rich in leather. Okay, by the processing of leather to making the leather in industry. What was drain water sink, there's a water that drain into sink, that water used in shower, used in toilet and laundry wastewater, that are come in wastewater category. The what is sewage? Sewage is also the water waste by whom industry, hospital, office and other user, that is sewage. uh, that water go for sewage to drain it. Okay, by the due to the occur of heavy rain, flood, uh, liquid will dissolve and the suspend impurity called contamination. What is the contamination? uh, to mix some impurities with water, it contaminate the water. Okay, it is good or it is bad. Okay, or sewage, complex uh, complex mixture of containing solid organic and inorganic impurities cause bacteria. uh, we have to say that some semi solid, organic or non organic material that mix with water. Okay, that get the water waste. What is the organic impurities? Human waste, animal waste, oil, urine, pesticide, fruit and vegetable waste is also called in organic waste. What is inorganic waste? It is nitrate, phosphorus, metal that are very hard to decompose in nature. Okay, nutrition, nu- sorry, nutrient, nutrients, phosphorus and nitrogen. What is bacteria? Such as which cause cholera, typhoid, and some other disease. For that causes bacteria. For the typhoid and cholera, some of the mosquitoes have bacteria to cut down your skin and drop the some bacteria. The further disease called malaria, cholera, and typhoid. Okay, other microbes such which can cause disease. Okay, network of small and large pipe line to transport the water waste called sewers. Sewers is a system that the throughout the wastewater gone gone into them, called sewer line. Like example of there is a there is a put in uh, uh, I can't understand the tanky. Okay, uh, through it we have to connect the pipe, and into the pipe there is a water flow. Okay, so there is a system that flow the water. So sewers is a system that the wastewater flow through them. How to filter a water? By the normal or by a critical condition, we have to filter water for use. Like we have also reuse the we have also used the and recycle the water, wastewater, that are used for gardening and much more work. Okay, first of all we have to treat the water some chemical and avoid to the and remove the harmful bacteria of them and use for gardening. That we have to use tons of water. tons of liter water used in gardening and many other work. Okay, to filter of water by taking rock and charcoal and sand to the filter of water emerging condition to use the water by emergency. If you are at stuck in jungle, so there is not found in filtered water, so you have to if you have charcoal, rock and sand or filter paper or filter cloth, so by the put it down in a beaker what you have to present and make the water filter and use in emergency condition. Like a normal example, you have use uh, water purifier to purify the water. Okay, and use purifier is also work to remove the harmful bacteria that presents in water and give the filtered water. Anaerobic bacteria this bacteria is produce biogas and also digest the human waste by uh, making the biogas that using electricity. Okay, tree absorb the uh, surplus water, or we say that wastewater, and release the pure water in vapor in a form of vapor at atmosphere due to photosynthesis or transpiration. Avoid to throw cooking oil, fat, chemical, paint chemical like paint, medicine to throw the direct in water. It also kill the microbes that help purify the water. Okay, so not to throw the polythene, cooking oil, fat, chemical and paint and many others, cloth, pen and many other things, not to throw in water, because throwing in water the microbe that to help the purify water is also dead and water get unpurified or waste. Okay, or okay, large number of disease. What is the cause? There is a large number of disease by the poor sanitation and contamination. Drinking water cause large number of disease. If you drink if you drink unhygienic water, if you take unhygiene food, you also get to suffering from diseases. Okay, so wastewater produce disease. Okay, yeah, there's a several disease that produce in this wastewater is called typhoid, polio, hepatitis and deficiency. There's many other disease that is produced in using the wastewater. Okay, uh, a process is coming, in the name is vermi processing toilet. What is a vermi processing toilet? By the using of earthworm who digest the human waste, and it also use less water for safe processing. A human waste also it digest and produce vermi cake. Uh, it The vermi cake is a resource much need the soil make good. Okay, so by the using that technique, uh, we have to make the wild get in nutrient and use less water. And we have to also see the to save the water, cause of if there's a less water, there's a also a big dangerous for us to also save the water and make sure there's a clean with your surrounding, because cleanness is the symbol there's not any disease come. Okay, by the if you are hygiene free, you also 90% disease free. 10% occur the food, water and what you have to take in your daily life. Conclusion: the spent less water and avoid to waste the water by the filtration process and have to much more process. uh, there is a seventh lesson complete NCERT, and by the tomorrow we have to complete one by one 8th lesson. Thank you.